your hats because Yellowstone National Park is making seismic waves that have everyone talking. The latest buzz from park officials reveals an astonishing surge of hundreds of earthquakes rattling this iconic landscape. But what's setting off this earth-shaking spectacle? Picture the ground beneath you trembling, a symphony of tremors painting an unexpected portrait of the park's seismic activity. Yellowstone, revered as America's ultimate natural treasure, is undergoing a remarkable transformation, and these earthquakes might just be the opening notes of a grand geological performance. Curiosity piqued? Join us in peeling back the layers of this geological enigma as we delve into the science, the mystery, and the potential implications of this rumbling phenomenon. The stage is set, and the spotlight is on Yellowstone's seismic secrets. Get ready to witness the park like never before as we uncover the extraordinary story written in every quake and tremble. Welcome to Yellowstone Park, a breathtaking haven of natural beauty and the renowned Old Faithful Geyser. This land is steeped in geological significance, perched atop an ancient caldera, a silent sentinel of an extinct supervolcano's fury that rumbled to life ages ago. Now, eyes are fixed on the recent surge in seismic activity, a mesmerizing display of nature's forces in action, despite having occurred before. Scientists and seismologists are riveted by this seismic spectacle, witnessing an unprecedented surge in the frequency and intensity of these tremors. As the Earth shudders, a sense of anticipation and unease spreads among park officials and visitors, the uncertainty of what lies ahead casting a shadow of anxiety. Authorities are not taking chances. They've implemented safety measures, fortified precautions, and stand vigilant, watching over the welfare of guests and this remarkable expanse's wild residents. As researchers pore over data with unwavering determination, they're delving into what triggers these seismic symphonies, evaluating the potential threats that loom. Meanwhile, palpable tension in Yellowstone lingers as the ground rumbles beneath, a constant reminder of Earth's dynamic might. Inhabitants and visitors are holding their breath, entrusting their hopes to the seasoned expertise of scientists. They yearn for insights and foresight, a beacon of guidance through the tremulous terrain. Yellowstone Park is a place of extraordinary wonder, nestled right in the heart of the United States. It is a true icon, with the honor of being the nation's oldest national park. With its sprawling dimensions, it encompasses portions of 3 states, Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, and is an expansive realm that is a sanctuary of natural marvels and awe-inspiring vistas. But it's not just the vast landscapes that make this park exceptional. Its thriving array of wildlife is a spectacle in itself. Venture into Yellowstone's untamed wilderness, and you'll likely cross paths with a stunning variety of creatures. Majestic grizzly bears, mighty bison, graceful elk, and elusive wolves call this place home. Within the park's protective embrace, these animals and plant species flourish, undisturbed and free. Now, picture the mesmerizing landscape transformed by nature's fiery artistry. Yellowstone's allure is further elevated by its geothermal wonders. The Earth's raw power is displayed here through towering geysers, scorching hot springs, and bubbling mud pots. Among them stands the famed Old Faithful Geyser, a testament to nature's rhythmic pulse that draws thousands each year to witness its enchanting eruptions. Back in 1872, Yellowstone earned the distinction of becoming the very first national park in the United States. This historic event marked the birth of the entire national park system, a recognition of Yellowstone's ecological and cultural significance. Over time, it has continued to captivate explorers, scientists, and nature enthusiasts, evolving into a cherished gem within the American landscape. However, this scenic paradise has recently unfolded a different kind of drama. The ground has stirred with seismic activity, a flurry of tremors that have drawn the attention of both scientists and locals. The source of this unrest, the Steamboat Geyser, once dormant, has experienced an unsettling surge in activity over the past weeks. Geologists and volcanologists, undaunted by the unexpected quakes, have kept a vigilant watch on the land's movement and geothermal activity. Yet, uncertainty hangs in the air, fueling rumors and concerns. Steamboat Geyser's history of unpredictable behavior collides with the current seismic surge. While some brace for the worst, others cling to optimism. In this atmosphere of unease, local authorities are collaborating with experts, striving to decipher the gravity of the situation and inform the public of potential risks. The tension persists as the scientific community provides updates while grappling with the increasing uncertainty. But let's not forget, Yellowstone has seen its share of seismic swarms. These bursts of earthquakes, ranging from minor to moderate, have rumbled through the park's complex hydrothermal system over the years, yet it's essential to grasp that this seismic dance is more about the fluid movement beneath the surface than impending volcanic eruptions. This intricate hydrothermal network, including geysers and hot springs, orchestrates its symphony of change. The flow of fluids and the systems recharging can create tension and pressure shifts, resulting in seismic activity. Scientists closely tracked these tremors, collecting data from strategically placed seismometers that offer insights into Yellowstone's geological rhythm and the hydrothermal system's dance. So, as the ground quivers and the Earth display its majestic power, remember that Yellowstone is a stage where the captivating performance of nature's forces intertwines with scientific understanding. Amid the uncertainty, awe and caution blend in a complex embrace, reminding us all of the boundless mysteries that lie ahead. Amidst such catastrophes, it becomes paramount for the public and the media to trust accredited geological experts and specialists. This approach is essential in quelling unnecessary panic. A solid grasp of the natural processes within Yellowstone's unique geological landscape empowers individuals to distinguish between routine seismic swarms devoid of danger and genuinely hazardous volcanic activity. This nuanced understanding grants a more grounded perspective on the overall geological well-being of the region. Dedicated geoscientists from reputable research institutions have scrutinized the dormant volcano. A meticulous inspection of the volcano's magma reservoir has taken place, employing extensive data from geological surveys, ground-based measurements, and advanced satellite imagery. The outcome of this rigorous analysis presents a reassuring verdict. No signs of ground deformation suggestive of movement within the dormant supervolcano's magma reservoir have been detected. The scientific community and the general public share a sense of relief in light of this discovery. The long-standing apprehension regarding potential volcanic activity from such a substantial geological feature has been addressed. This newfound stability on the ground signifies that the supervolcano's magma reservoir maintains its integrity. However, geoscientists emphasize the ongoing necessity of research and vigilant monitoring to unlock a deeper understanding of the intricate mechanisms of the volcano and the potential risks that loom. With this crucial knowledge, authorities are better positioned to assess and mitigate any future threats associated with the dormant supervolcano, ensuring the safety of communities' safety. The persistent seismic activity unfolding within the park's borders offers the scientific community an invaluable opportunity to unravel the enigma of the park's complex geology and the underlying processes. Seismologists and geologists eagerly gather data and observations each time the ground rumbles, piecing together the cryptic puzzle of the park's geological history. Scholars worldwide have focused on these seismic phenomena, ranging from subtle vibrations to more significant earthquakes. With state-of-the-art technology and monitoring equipment, scientists meticulously dissect the seismic waves, their patterns and origins, to unearth the hidden secrets concealed beneath the park's surface. Researchers are relentless in their quest to deepen their understanding of tectonic plate shifts, fault lines, and the potential for volcanic activity within the park. Their determined efforts are geared towards comprehending past geological occurrences and equipping themselves to anticipate and prepare for future seismic events. Undeterred by the ongoing ground tremors, these researchers remain steadfast in their pursuit of answers to the mysteries shrouding the park's geology. They firmly believe their discoveries will propel scientific knowledge forward and play a crucial role in preserving and safeguarding this unparalleled natural marvel. Yellowstone National Park experiences a constant rumble of earthquakes, a vivid reminder of the dynamic and unbridled forces that have shaped its breathtaking landscape. While these seismic episodes might unsettle some visitors, they are, in essence, an integral facet of the geothermal wonders that define the park's uniqueness. That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed it. If yes, hit that like button. Let us know your thoughts on this mission in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.